The National Weather Service has issued a PDS tornado warning for Trailer Park County, Farmland County, Otter County, and Hills County. At 2 p.m. Doppler radar detected a strong tornado moving at 30 miles per hour with wind speeds up to 150 to 190 miles per hour. Take shelter now in the basement or shelter. 50% of those go to a bathroom or closet, and stay away from doors and windows. If you are in a vehicle, find a nearby ditch until the tornado has passed.